a request from someone special. She asked me what can we buy with 10,000 won in Korea. Let's go. This is the place. 아까 만 원이요? 어디요? 저거? 아까 똑같아요? 아까 똑같아? With 10,000 won, you can buy a plate of crab. 감사합니다. 이거요? Yes. Today our recipe is
Butter garlic alimango.
we will be cooking the king crab of Korea.
Oh, this is the next content.
This is our new chef. Chef from the Philippines. Maniki. If your pan is big, you can cook the whole thing. But if your pan is small, you need to cut it into smaller pieces. Right? And then we separate the legs and the body. Oh no, you're gonna be eaten. Yes, what to do? You don't need oil. We have the butter already. Not butter, butter.
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 Butter. First one, hit the pan.
For the butter, you just need a little slice with also the garlic. It's like this.
A little slice. You can already put the
Butter.
butter.
Make it around. Make it turn. Oh, turn. Make it turn again. Oh, turn it. Turn it. Turn it. Yeah. Wow. Magic. I can move it in my hand. Look. Whoa. Do not play your butter at home.
The second step is garlic.
We put the garlic.
Kakain lang natin na medyo mag-brown yung bawang natin, guys.
Yes.
Yep.
He said about brown.
Ayan.
Brown, guys. Brown.
The next step, put the body. Kakainin na nila tayo. Then, the claw, the arms and the feet all together.
Yeah.
Oh, put it like this.
And remember to put your fire to medium.
You know the smell, guys? Very mabango.
The taste is very alimango.
Taste?
Oh no, that's not smell. The smell is so alimango.
Guys, he's already baliw na. Oh, because he drink a lot of soda. Now we need to, turn around the heads.
How do we turn around the head? Like it? From this to like that.
Baliw.
So
baliw. Baliw na kami, guys. We put some
MSG
to make it, more
MSG.
More. No, a little bit of MSG. Okay. So there you go, guys. Luto na.
Lodo na.
Finish na.
Oh, finish na.
Just wait 5 to 10 minutes. And then we turn around it again.
Head from this to this. Like that. Yeah. Really. So this recipe, what? Butter garlic
Alimango.
alimango is very super quick. like under 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
It's very quick because our, the alimango is already cooked.
Already steam cooked.
Already steamed. So after the 5 to 10 minutes, guys, we turn around again the body or the head.
And there is so much butter in it, so we need to wait until it becomes a little bit less butter. We need the butter to be absorbed inside the body parts of the crab. You can also shower your crab with the butter.
So yun mga katagay, ready na po yung ating garlic butter. Alimango. Ready to serve!
Ready to serve, my favorite moment.
Your favorite moment? What we call?
Tikiman time! You can kill the fire now. Tikiman time! Ooh, look at the leg. Testing time of the crab.
Tikiman time of the
Yeah,
crab.
this is my claw.
This is only the feet.
I'm gonna open my claw like this. I open it like chup chup. Mmm. Empty. I got scammed.
The butter makes the alimango very delicious. Yeah. All the butter go to the, that the one you will throw away. Just kidding, guys. Very masarap. No inside.
We got scammed by a crab.
We are scammed, guys. But it's masarap.
Laging masarap.
Very masarap. I will taste the body.
Alright.
Open this. Oh no, there's no body. Where's the laman?
Closer there. What?
Cut it.
Why?
The claw. The arm.
The arms got meat.
Yeah, but I that. But imagine the body.
Pero ito,
No meat.
yung ulo,
The body no meat.
Yeah.
panoorin niyo kasi sa YouTube yung butong abs.
Thank you for watching our video.
And as we always said, please like, share, please put some comment, and subscribe. Yun mga katagay. See you
On our next video.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Happy dinner.